How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete all of your reposts in your TikTok account at once. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok app and get logged into your TikTok account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three-bar icon on your top right, tap onto settings and privacy. Scroll all the way to the below and tap on Report a Problem. At this page, tap on Account and Profile, then tap on Profile Page. Tap onto Other and tap onto Now. Then tap on Feedback. Under Tell us your feedback, type in that you would like to delete all of your reposts from your TikTok account at once. Then tap on to Submit, and this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case that helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.